Are orange juice futures trading near 18-year highs for a reason? For the latest on that, let's turn now to Kevin Kerr.
Well, like you said, we are on the 18-year, 16-year highs right up here, so we don't expect a lot of impact. In fact, we saw OJ pull back just a little bit today, and that's because Ernesto weakened a bit.
Kevin Kerr, editor of Resource Trader Alert, is in the center seat this morning.
Joining us, Kevin Kerr, editor of Resource Trader Alert.
We got Kevin Kerr, editor of Resource Trader Alert at dailyreckoning.com. He also a columnist for Market Watch. Inventories are going to be lean, mean, and short.
Producers have to be concerned that end users are going to start looking for other materials to replace copper. I may not buy copper, but I certainly wouldn't short it, and that's my opinion, and I'm sticking to it.
And you're sticking to it. I like that kind of conviction.
This morning, we're obviously ahead of the numbers. The EIA report's going to come out this morning.
Kevin Kerr, editor of Resource Trader Alert. Kevin, good morning to you. Why are we trading down this morning?
We have all these oranges on the trees that need to get picked, and we have about 9 million boxes left on the trees at this moment. Ron, I believe it's simply that we have more demand around the world and less supply of the easy-to-get-to stuff. We're going to see prices increase, and that's what's driving this price. Sure, there's speculation.
Nuclear energy, solar energy, evergreen.
Laugh at solar if you will, but this company is on a solid path. We all know that solar is going to be the next thing. It's going to be hot. Evergreen just made a contract with a German power company for $100 million over 4 years. The stock is going up.
Bottom line is we have so many factors, like you mentioned, and I think it was a great lead-in that we just hit a new record high while I'm on the air with you.
Second, now this is very interesting. We've got a little debate here.
Well,
What's your
I'll just
position?
say this. You know, this is not a meltdown. This is a correction. It's normal. These markets are going to correct. We've been saying this as well. And the bottom line is you have to look for these opportunities when they present themselves. We feel longer term we are bullish on gold for many reasons. We're bearish on the dollar and we're bullish on gold.
Commodities trader Kevin Kerr knows what people have to do.
They'd have a vested interest to learn how to invest in things that are going to make them money from disaster. It's a huge move, 10% move today, down on this news that Ernesto's turning towards Florida.
Do we need to see more nuclear power plants come online?
We need to see them come within the next 5 years, probably. Some have said 10 years they'll be coming online. We think it's shorter. Well, the play is to buy back in at cheaper levels where we are now.
Gold would have to go absolutely parabolic to get to 2,000, obviously.
Anything can happen with the geopolitical risk we have in the world, with central bank buying. We could see gold, the actual price of gold, go to that price. You know, our basis for trading sugar or the other commodities that make ethanol, like corn, is for it to be longer term. It's not going to happen overnight.
Hi, this is Kevin Kerr, editor of Resource Trader Alert. I'm sorry I couldn't join you in Las Vegas. There's really nowhere else I'd rather be. But I hope to see you at our next upcoming event. It'll be very soon, I'm sure. In the meantime, you have some of the best and brightest in the resource markets there with you. My colleague, Justice Lytle, people like Lee Lowell, who I love, and others will keep you entertained and certainly give you a lot of good information. I encourage you, if you're interested in trading resources, to look at their newsletters as well as ours, Resource Trader Alert. And Justice will tell you more about outstanding investments and some other exciting things that we have coming down the road. Enjoy your time in Las Vegas. Oh, and by the way, you will have the opportunity to register to win. A prize we're going to be giving away at the end of the conference is a fully guided tour of the New York Commodities Exchange. With me, we'll have lunch. If you're going to be in the New York area, we'll take you down to the floor, we'll get you a badge, we'll put you near the trading pit for the opening, and you'll be able to see how everything functions firsthand. It's a very rare opportunity to be able to go to the trading floor, and I'll be happy to take you and a guest there. So for more information and details and the opportunity to register, just step in the back, see one of our representatives from RTA or Outstanding Investments to help you fill out the form, and the drawing will be done at the end of the conference. All the details are available back there. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you real soon at the next event, and enjoy your time in Vegas. If you get a chance, go down to the Picasso restaurant in the Bellagio. It's fantastic. And have a great time in Vegas. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
McMoran, U.S. Steel, Phelps, Dodge, Newmont. What is your advice on this sector?
Well, I got to tell you, Larry, we're glad to see some of that premium get sucked out of some of these equities. We talked about Freeport McMoran as a solid company. It's a good example of one that on this kind of pullback, we've seen some opportunities to buy back in. But overall, we still see the market for OJ as very strong based on supply numbers that we're seeing, and these storms over the last 3 years have really decimated the crop.
All right, we'll leave it there. Nice to have you with us, sir. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Maria.